Wiggins, you did your big one. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, they really did their big one. Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, you are going to watch me install this beautiful body wave wig that I received from Wiggins hair. So right now I'm just unboxing the wig. As you can see, it comes with the bald cap. The wig also came curled and it came pre-plucked, and I believe that the knots were bleached. So now we're gonna go into the installing process, but first I wanted to show you guys the knots because I did go ahead and bleach them the night before and they look invisible to me. Literally, the knots are invisible. I'm in love with this wig. You guys are gonna see throughout the video, and here I am just showing you some more, you know, close-ups of the wig and showing you how it looks like scalp. So the very first step is obviously cut out your ear tabs, because not every wig that we receive is going to be the exact measurement of your forehead. So always make sure that you cut out your ear tabs, and then after you cut out your ear tabs, that's when you can basically go ahead and install the wig. So in this next clip, you're gonna see me using some glue that I actually got from Wig Dealer. So I just recently switched my glues. I used to use Bold Hold. I used to be a Bold Hold stan. I've used Bold Hold for about like 4 years, but I recently found this glue that's waterproof from Wig Dealer. I absolutely love it. I believe for this install, I only did 1 layer. So you go ahead and smear that in, and then also go in with the blow dryer. And once it's clear, you go ahead and put your wig on. And I like to press mine in with the comb and then blow dry it as well. So you guys are gonna see that process in just a second. So now I'm just making sure that everything is completely dry, and we're gonna go in with the elastic band and let this wig melt, honey. So I went ahead and I let my wig melt probably for about 30 minutes. After my wig was done melting, I did kind of flat iron the hair just off camera. I didn't flat iron it super flat. I just did it to where it'll look good for when I put a curl into it. So now I'm just combing through everything, and I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off. Now that the lace is completely cut off, I'm going in with a wax stick and a hot comb just to make sure that this install is as flat as possible. This part gets a little bit messy, but it's okay. It didn't alter the install at all. It didn't mess anything up. So yeah, just hot combing everything down, making sure that everything is flat. And then after this, I'm gonna go in and do my baby hairs. So when I do my baby hairs, I pretty much adapted this exact same method that I do for all of my wigs. I kind of parted into a C, kind of like a lazy C. And then after that, I just cut it like in a horizontal, vertical. I don't even know what that is. I just cut it at an angle, curl it, and then we slay our baby hairs. So yeah, you guys just go ahead and watch as I do that. The only product that I used on my baby hairs was mousse. If you want your baby hairs to be super flat and not fluffy, you could use mousse. You could use spritz. I don't like to use spritz too much because spritz does get hard, but it does make your baby hair stay down. So if you're that type of girl, then you go ahead and do that. But for me, I wanted my baby hairs to be fluffy, so I only used mousse. And then once my baby hairs dried, I kind of combed it out. So now I'm just going in with some Kenra Shine Infusion hairspray. And then after this, you're gonna see me go in with some soft spritz hairspray. This is completely different from the original spritz. The original spritz comes in a brown bottle, and that's what makes your hair hard. This soft spritz is basically just to help the hair hold a curl. So yeah, I'm just combing that out because it did make the hair a little bit wet. And then going in with a big barrel curling iron and just curling small sections. And also too, what I want you guys to pay attention to is that I'm going to be curling every single curl in the same direction. To me, it just gives like a better, more uniform look. Sometimes I like my hair messy, sometimes I like my hair to be uniform, but for this one I wanted it to be a little bit uniform. And then I'm gonna go in with some clips and then just clip that hair up. And yeah. So I pretty much just went ahead and fast forwarded this whole entire process because I'm just doing the same thing over and over and over again. Make sure to clip up your hair, ladies, because that's what's going to make the curl hold. If you don't clip up your hair, the curl is not going to hold. And I've learned my lesson the hard way. Trust me, and get you some clips. So once I'm done with this section, I'm obviously going to do the other section. I did not record that part on camera, so you guys just have to enjoy me doing one side of my head, and then I will be right back after a few minutes, and then I'm going to take down the clips with you guys. Okay. Okay guys, so I just took out all of the clips. I only let the clips stay in for probably about like 20 minutes, not even. So I'm about to just go through it. This is beautiful. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I literally just cut myself off because this is so pretty. Like, I have a few snags, but that's fine. Obviously, if you want the curls to last longer or for them to be, you know, bigger, then obviously keep the clips in for longer. But this hair, y'all, is thick, okay? And I'm not really a fan of thick hair. Don't ask me why, but this hair is thick. Oops, I actually forgot a curl. Okay. So there's even more hair. So really quickly, I'm just gonna cut just a few layers in the front part so I can make like a, oops, like a little face frame. And this is actually a big layer. So while I was in the middle of curling my hair, I started sweating really badly and this side of the wig came up. So what I had to do was I basically had to take a break, blow dry it. I think it's back intact. So what I'm gonna do really quickly is I'm just gonna fix my baby hairs. I'm really just honestly gonna go in with some mousse. I don't think that I'm gonna have to recurl them because they're still curled. This is beautiful, guys. Like, I don't know if I wanted to do a baby hair here. I don't know. But let me just fix these baby hairs really quickly. Then I'm gonna go in with some mousse just at the top, only because I don't feel like re-hot combing it. Obviously, if you guys want, if you have this unit, you can add more layers to it. I may or may not. You know what? Actually, I am. Sorry. Just gonna add just a little bit more layers, just slight layers though. You know, because layers give the hair body yaddy yaddy. So yes, we are done. These are my, I'm gonna call these sexy waves, like sexy bombshell waves or bombshell curls. I was thinking about putting my hair behind my ear, but I don't know. So as you can tell by the title, this hair is from Wiggins. I'm pretty sure I've said it throughout the video at least once. This is the best wig that I've ever had. And I actually want to turn up the lighting just so that you guys can see really quickly. But yeah, this right here, this is the best wig that I've ever had. And I'm not kidding. If you watch any of my videos, you would know that I don't say that about every single wig. This is actually like the best. It's extremely thick. I don't know the exact density on this, but it has to be the highest density. What else? It's thick. It's wavy, it holds a curl, and also guys, in my opinion, I don't know if this is true or not, but in my opinion, I think that this hair is jet black. So if this hair is not jet black, it is very, very, very dark, and I love that. Also too, it comes ready to wear. This is the first time that I've ever gotten a wig and I didn't pluck it. Like, this is literally not plucked. So I believe that this wig actually came pre-plucked. It also came ready to wear, but I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I bleached them last night with like 40 volume developer. If you want to, you can use 30, but I just personally like to use 40 because it gets the job done faster. But y'all, this is one of those units to where it's like you don't have to say much because it just speaks for itself. So if you need more information on this unit, just click the link in the description box because everything will be down below in the description box. Wiggins, you did your big one. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, they really did their big one. Also too, I wanted to add that I am not a stranger to Wiggins. I have had bundles from them since before wigs were a thing. I've also had wigs from them in the past, I believe so, but this right here, this is one of the best units I've ever had. Wiggins has also always been a great company, and that's why I brought that up, because in the past, I would say this was probably like 2019, I got bundles from them in like January, and I kid you not, I recycled those bundles until December of that same year. I promise you. Like, I literally have pictures. So their hair quality is top of the line. So if you're looking for something that's affordable, ready to wear, and also if you're a beginner and you don't really know what to do, this is the perfect unit for you. You know what, there's nothing else to say. Just click the link down below, y'all. If you enjoyed the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Also, turn on your post notifications so that you can get notifications every single time that I post. And that's it, y'all. We out. Peace.